In this video, we will show you how you can find dividend information on moomoo. First, go to your watch list and tap into the stock that is going to pay dividends or have paid dividends in the past. Once you are in the detailed quotes page of the stock, tap on the Summary tab. Scroll down and you will be able to view the dividend payout information. In this case, this stock has paid a dividend of 0.02 cents per share. To calculate the total dividend payout you are entitled to, you will need to multiply the payout per share by the quantity of shares that you are holding. Tap on Details to view more information about your dividends. On this page, you will be able to view the record date, ex-dividend date, and payment date. Dividend payments follow a chronological order of events, and the associated dates are important to determine the shareholder who qualify for receiving the dividend payment. Do take note of the ex-dividend or ex-date, which is the date by which the dividend eligibility expires. In this case, the ex-date is 3rd of August. Shareholders who buy the stock on or after the day will not be entitled to the dividend. Shareholders who own the stock after the closing of one trading day prior to the ex-date, that is on 2nd August or earlier, will receive the dividends. The payment date is when the company issues the payment of the dividend to shareholders. Dividends will be credited to your respective margin accounts within 1 to 3 business days after the dividend payout date. To check your dividend record, go to the Trade page. Tap on your brokerage account and click on Fund Details. Use the filter function and select Corporate Actions. You can now see dividend information such as the dividend received and withholding tax charge for US stocks only. If you have any questions, please email us at corporateactions@futusg.com. Thank you for choosing moomoo.